Hi, boys and girls. I hope you are all well. Welcome to Story Time. Today we're going to read a story, and it's called Splash, and it's by Flora McDonald. Hot, hot, hot. The elephants are hot. Tiger is hot. By looking at the picture, how do you know he's hot? What is he doing? You hear my naughty dogs barking. Rhinoceros is hot. Let's follow the baby down to the, make a prediction. Where do you think they're going to go? Down to the water. Lovely water. Water to drink. Water to, what else could they do with the water? What do you think? They're going to drink some, and then what else? Squirt, squirt, squirt. Looks like Rhinoceros got squirted in the face. Splash goes Mother Elephant. Splosh goes Rhinoceros. Whoosh, splush goes Tiger. Splash, 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 splash. Looks like they are having so much fun. Do you like playing in the water too? Now Tiger is cool and happy. Now Rhinoceros is cool and happy. Now Mother Elephant is cool and happy. What a happy, cool, clever little baby elephant. And that is the end. I hope you enjoyed that story. That was a short story, wasn't it? What was your favorite part? What did you like best? What do you know about elephants? Remember, you are smart, you're important, you matter, you are special, but most of all, what is it? You are loved. Make today and every day your best day. Bye. See you later.